Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can fix internet connection problem on your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, as you can see guys, you can find your games and applications. Here on the right, you're gonna find all of your installed games and apps on this device. Here in the left, you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And right here in the top, you're gonna find all of the sections. Here you're gonna find games, media, search, settings, and lastly right here, you're gonna find your profile icon. So basically guys, right now, if you want to fix internet connection problem, go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're gonna be here. So right here under accessibility, you're gonna find network. Go ahead and click on it. And then right here, you're gonna find two sections, connection status and settings. Go ahead and click on settings. And then right here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find the option to connect to the internet. And here you're gonna find set up internet connection. Make sure you enable connect to the internet and then click on set up internet connection. Then go ahead and choose your network. Once you do that, go ahead and click on option, click on advanced settings and then go to DNS settings. It will be on default on automatic. Go ahead and change it to manual and then here in primary DNS, type this DNS 8.8.8.8 and go to the secondary one and type 8.8.4.4. So basically guys, this is the server for Google DNS. This will make your ping much better and also it might help you with the internet. Here in connection status, you're gonna find the option to test your internet connection to see if everything is alright. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.